Thursday. I'll finally have school. It's about time. Time for entertaining vlogs. I'm going to school now. There's a person over there. I don't really like recording when other people are by me. I don't know why. I just haven't gotten used to the whole thing. He just looked at me. Creeper. Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest, run! Yes, Juwan, we're in school, and I messed up while we were doing the talent show. That sucks. I messed up while we were doing the talent show. I rapped my verse at the wrong time. Alright, hold on.
Following directions.
I ate all the good stuff out.
I need two.
Oh, I ate all of it.
Be quiet. Okay, not following directions. Here we go.
In the teacher's room. I'm supposed to be practicing this part for the talent show for Thursday. Because today's talent show was for our first hour. Yeah.
Two speed. I lost my place.
Show me black people. Show me black people. Yeah. Peace out. You walking? Yeah. Alright, peace out. Yeah. Yep. The twins. You can come inside. I gotta tell my mom real quick.
So this is Jay with C. He's walking.
Stupid.
Walking. The JC.
Yeah, this kid's stupid. He just copied my name.
He's mad because he can't make up a cool name.
Are you even recording?
Yes.
Oh.
What's up?
Well, still.
This might be kind of weird. Respect. 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 Yeah. There's nothing going on right now. About to go to the dollar store. It's a cool store alive. For people. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, this is Juwan. Just saying, she that kid over there in yellow shirt. Oh, you can't even really see him. Let's go take a look. He punched me, maybe dropped his camera. It's not even Myron's.
He's acting retarded.
It's his mom's camera, and he punched me, and then it dropped. But, yeah, I think it was Myron. He's coming right now. Alright, cool. This is his house.
Don't film him. Don't film him.
Alright, this is the man that's usually on the camera. It's okay.
What's up?
Yeah.
Yep.
Going to the dollar store. Get some glasses. If you have any
It's fresh. It doesn't matter what you get your stuff unless it's fresh.
Exactly.
I already told him that's the best store for kids our age.
Crap. Look at that.
We should make.
There's two of them. Oh my gosh.
It's all of them.
We should make.
That's nasty.
And Jalen's about to go into one. Get off of me, dude. What the heck is your food?
Yup.
You know, you should be like.
This car looks mad. Look at that.
It's a Hemi.
A what?
It's a Hemi.
Oh, it looks like a Mustang from back there.
It's a Dodge wheel.
It is? Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah. All right. We're going to the dollar store right now. That's really all I really wanted to say, but whatever. Wait a sec. 4-way. Okay, we're good.
We're about to get t-shirts.
Pretty weird.
T-shirts. T-shirts.
Okay.
Look, there's a cat over there.
We can do.
Oh my gosh, that's vicious.
Yes.
Let me communicate.
No, it's like,
Holy crap.
wait, meow.
Just look at his lips. He wants to eat us.
What?
I just said, do you want some milk? He said no.
Crazy stuff.
You watch
I'm
people
trying to
puke?
film on the ride.
Yeah.
No,
No, you're not filming on the ride, dude.
No, not trying to like.
Go like this, like, yeah, we're going.
The sky ride. That doesn't really do anything.
Go.
It just, like, across your point.
Are you bringing extra money? Of you bring at
I'm
least.
trying to buy an iPod though.
Okay,
Oh.
well, this
Well, if you have
hangs
any
on a
extra
bed.
money like that you're willing to spend at Ski Point, bring at least $10. Cause skyscraper, that's the best, dude.
I think I never recorded us going to the dollar store.
I went to Dollar Store.
We usually go to this place. It's so cheap and everything's $1.
Don't be sneaky.
I should probably bring
Go, I don't think we're getting in trouble. We got the Myron original right here. Oatmeal cookies with the
Ice cream bars.
orange ice cream bars.
With cream. Stuff.
Cookies and oranges.
What's up, viewers? This is Jay with the C. I'm just telling you right now.
Dude, you really don't know how to record.
No.
It's like
What are you doing?
No.
Exactly.
No.
What do you do? Hold it like
learn how to
this.
record, man. Learn how to record.
Let me see this.
Subscribe.
That's
Oh, I dropped the water bottle. There's a big doggy over there.
Let's go.
Right in those fences over there. You see those wooden fence right there? Yeah, it's right in there.
I'll put it. That's when we're down.
Look at my arm. Look at that. These girls today. Future girlfriend wrote all over my arm. Anyway.
what?
No,
I'll
those
just write this on a big piece of paper, dude. Alright. I can't do this on this 2-inch shirt.
Yeah.
I can't do that.
and we're done.
This is what went down.
These. And that's what went down. That's what went down.